Welcome to our Million E-invoice tutorial guide. In this video, we'll cover everything from setting up Million E-invoice on the MyInvoice Portal to handling specific invoicing needs in the Million accounting software. Whether you're invoicing locally or internationally, this guide will walk you through all the steps. Let's begin. Okay, our first step is to add the Million software to MyInvoice Portal. At the MyInvoice Portal, you can go to View Taxpayer Profile. And here you need to add the ERP and intermediaries for Million accounting software. First, you need to choose the Intermediaries tab, and then you add intermediary. Here you need to fill in the TIN, PRN, and the Million name, and then you click Search. And then after fill in the TIN, PRN, and name, it can show the status active. You click Next. And then here you need to set the representative from the start date. I choose for 4th of September 2024 until 3rd of September 2025. This one is for 1 year lah. If you want for 3 years, you can set until 2027. Next, you need to enable all still button to submit document, cancel document, request rejection document, and to view notification. After all enable button, you need to click Save. Next, you need to go to ERP tab. Here you need to register the ERP for Million accounting software. So the ERP name, you put Million accounting system ERP. And then the client secret expiration, you can choose either 1, 2, or 3 years. And then if Million accounting software is your primary ERP system, you can enable this button. And then after register, you can see there's a client ID and client secret 1 and client secret 2. You need to copy all this information and paste to your safe place. And that's all for adding Million software at MyInvoice.